Believe it or not, even the most effective teachers with data-driven, proactive classroom management plans will still experience some inappropriate student behaviors. These effective teachers follow the teaching matrix. They use behavior-specific praise consistently, and they know how to provide error correction in a calm, respectful manner. But they will still experience some student misbehaviors. And as a teacher, I know you know what I'm talking about. But the question is, what to do? Well, first of all, keep in mind that teacher behavior predicts student behavior. So when specific behavior praise and error correction is not doing the job, teachers need other strategies to fall back on. They need a list of continuum of responses in which they can turn to. This chart shows a sample list of continuum of responses. These are not new to educators. It's just that we forget to use them. So we need to have them readily available so we can refer to them when needed. And here's why. Educators need a toolkit of behavior teaching strategies to meet different functions, intensity, and rates of inappropriate behaviors. Because you see, no single strategy will work for all students or in all situations. We know now through research that punishment does not teach students correct behavior, and in many cases it increases inappropriate behaviors. So the toolkit of continuum of responses should include 1. Practices to address the skill deficit or the lack of skill to perform a desired behavior. And 2. Practices to address performance deficit or the lack of motivation to perform the desired behavior. When using the continuum of responses, teachers should start out using the least resource-intense practice possible to achieve the objective. For example, using planned ignoring, which is simply ignoring the student behavior and continuing on with instruction. Teachers should then focus on consistency with this practice and patience in responding to the behavior. If planned ignoring is not successful in achieving the desired behavior, move to a more intense practice, such as physical proximity, to communicate teacher awareness, caring, and concern. Whichever continuum of response practice is used, it should always communicate support, caring, and relationship building. Here is what continuum of responses is not. It is not a list of punishments, nor a process for teachers to follow in order to reach a punishment. It is not a public shaming response system such as a clip chart or placing a name on the board. And it is not a privilege level system. Continuum of responses is a method of providing opportunities to help students regulate, connect with the teacher, and it allows the student to reason out or come to understand the skill they need to achieve. The bottom line, a continuum of strategies for responding to inappropriate behaviors is a critical feature of a good classroom management plan. Now, in all situations, error correction will always be used as it is universal and provides feedback. But along with error correction, teachers need other strategies in order to be prepared to deal with behaviors not meeting expectations. Now, there are many other responses that may be added to the list, such as restorative circles. And the RTI2-B team can help in choosing other response practices that may be added to the flowchart and installed and supported through professional development. Now, on a final note, just in case you have forgotten, the number one strategy that improves behavior by 80%, and I know you guessed it, praise.